Hi there, today I will show you how to crochet a lucet cord, also known to knitters as an I-cord, with 2 hooks while using jute twine. If you'd like to know more about jute twine and other materials, watch my other video called Crochet Lucet Cord with 1 hook. Alright, it's very easy. First of all, you need 2 hooks of the same size. In my case, for the size of twine that I have, I'm using a G hook or a 4.25 millimeter. First, we're going to make a magic ring, or a yarn ring, magic loop it's also called. I do this by taking the twine in my fingers, making an X across 2 fingers, reaching through, drawing the leftmost piece through, and chain 1. Next, we take the second hook. The pink one will be hook number 1, the gold one is hook number 2. We do the same exact thing. Insert the hook through the center of the ring, draw up a loop, yarn over and chain 1. Next thing we do is to yank the tail tight, and we turn counterclockwise using hook number 1, which was my pink hook. Yarn over, chain 1, turn counterclockwise, this time using the gold hook, which is hook number 2. It's helpful to have 2 different color hooks. Yarn over and chain 1. Again, turn counterclockwise or to the left, yarn over, chain 1, turning counterclockwise, hook number 1, yarn over, chain 1. Every once in a while you'll want to give your cord a tug just to tighten everything and make a nice square lucet cord. To finish off, you'll simply do it just as you would with any other crochet project. You'll snip the twine, yarn over, and draw through the last loop. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.